Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Smart Healthcare Management System, and I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using is the PHP version 7, and MySQL version is 5.6. Also, I'm running this project on the XAMPP server. But if you have the WAMP server, then you can easily configure this project on WAMP server too. Right, for front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for formula additions, integration of the date calendars, and creating drop-down menus. I have used jQuery plugins, and for many more things, I have used the jQuery plugins. Right. So let's start with the functionality. Go through that what we have implemented inside this project, the Smart Care Health Management System. Right, Smart Healthcare Management System. Right, and so this is the homepage of the project, and one more thing I want to share you that this is the major project which has doctor login as well as the patient login, and patient can uh, register, and after that he can book the appointment for the doctors, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project. This is the about project, and this is a static page. If you want to change the content, then you can change the content directly from about.php. This is a find doctors. This is all doctors which has been registered, right? If you want to see the detail, just click on the view the details, and after that you will be able to see all of the details of that doctor, right? So you can see, okay, so this doctor treat this one, right? So this specialization analysis is by doctors. So this one, the Naveen, and is ENT, especially diabetics, and you can book the appointment for that doctor, right? So there's a restrictions. You can't book the appointment without login, right? So if you don't have the user ID and password, you can register from here, right? So this is a find doctor. Even you can search the doctor according to your area name, right? If I click Noida, then if doctor is not available, then it will not show any of the records. This is a login from here. So this is a single login for admin. Sorry, for patient and doctor, right? And the patient and doctor can log in from the single page, but according to the rule, the internal functionality will be changed, right? If doctor login, the internal dashboard will be changed. If patient is login, then internal dashboard will be different, right? This is a registration from. This is a single registration form for the patient and the doctors, right? Here you need to select you are registering as a doctor or you are registering as a patient, right? After that, you need to fill this all of the details, and using your username and password, you will be able to log in. This is a contact us page, and it's a static contact us page. I am not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I am not sending a type of email and SMS from this page, right? So now I'm going to log in. So the user ID is at for the doctor. The user ID is doctor and password is test. Once you uh, login as a log inside the system, then you will get the dashboards, and doctor can perform these operations, right? You can see this is the add specialization. Doctor can add his specialization, right? Means if he is specialized in sorry, in ENT or the physician or the chest, then he can add his specializations, right? In the my specializations, he will be able to see all of the specializations which he has added, right? So you can see this all of the specialization which doctor has added. This is a my appointments, right? All of the appointments which has been booked for that doctor. Doctor can see the appointments of that uh, patient, right? So even doctor can upload the report of that patient too. Even patient can upload the report. So doctor and patient can share the reports with each other, right? So and that report will be uploaded on that appointment, right? Each and every report will be associated with that appointment, right? So this is the appointment. This is my account. From here, doctor can update his account details. This is a change password. From here, doctor can change the password in the logout functionality. This is the once you click on the logout, then above administration, the administrative menu will not be displayed. So you can see above administrative menu is not displaying, but if you log in, above administrative menu is displaying. Now, this is the doctor part. But if I log in as a patient, then you can see the dashboard menus are different, right? Because it's a role based system, even the header menu is also different, right? Because it renders according to the session, right? And it's a session level menu. So here patient can see all of his appointments. Currently, patient had booked these appointments, then he can see the appointments, and these are the reports uploaded by the patient. Right. Once he click on the view report, he will be able to see the reports of which he has uploaded. If you want to, if doctor or patient want to upload the report, just click on the upload report and the report name, date, description, report file, and that report will be uploaded on that appointment. So doctor will be able to view that report also, right? So this is the my account. From here, patient can update his account details and change password. Now I am going to book the appointment of the doctor. So suppose if I this one, so there is no specification, right? This one here. So this diabetic appointment, select date. Once you click on the book the appointments, then appointment has been booked for 18th May. Right? If you want to see the details, then you can see the details and you can upload the report also. Suppose this CBC report, right? Date. So I have done the CBC, all of my CBC report, right? Choose on the report file. You can choose the report file here and you can upload. Once you click on the upload, then that report will be uploaded and it will be displayed, right? So this is the full flow of the system. Once you click on the logout, then the above administration menu will not be displayed, right? So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project. If you need more functionality in this project, if you want to enhance this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.